Hello, happy new week traders. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So I trust we all had a beautiful last week. Like our last week was so cool. So before I dive into the analysis of today, I would love to make a review on the past trade I posted on the last day of my technical analysis challenge. That was AUD CAD. If actually you capitalize on the very analysis, not that I said everything I said on this very YouTube channel is not a financial advice. I'm just saying, had it been you find it very beautiful for you to might have invested in it, you would have made about, maybe you entered at this very point, you have made about was to 91 pips. Very cool pips for someone to earn in the forex market. So as I was saying, we didn't hit our stop loss. Market didn't trigger our stop loss, but it has approached our first take profit zone. Oh, sorry for this. It has approached our first take profit zone. That approached our first take profit zone, which was this very point. Yeah. So the analysis I dropped last week played very well. Yeah, it played very well. So today I will be making an analysis on no, not be an GBP. No. We're making an analysis on EURCHF. Yeah, we're making an analysis on EURCHF. If you pretty look, if you look at the current structure, like the current trend of EURCHF from the daily time frame, or yeah, it has been downtrending. And I want to point out something from the weekly time frame for you to clearly see some stuff. From the weekly time frame, we have this massive downtrend. This massive downtrend. And from our weekly time frame, I was able to see this stuff. When market is actually making lower lows and lower highs to the downside. Sometimes it follows a regular pattern of a trend line of like hitting a resistance, a downtrend resistance trend line to the downside. So I was able to spot this downtrending resistance trend line. And you can see, if you want to make your own analysis via the candlestick pattern, you can see from here the market has been able to form a three pattern candle. A three pattern candle. This was an indecision candle at a important psychological level in the past, and the last week candle closed very bearish. Very bearish. I think some people might call this um, um, an evening star. Yeah, an evening star, which is more like a reversal candlestick pattern. So from here now, I'm still bearish on EURCHF. Then I'll go down to my lower time frame to find some possible entries. And going down to my lower time frame, which is my 4 hour, going on to my lower time frame, I can see this point to be the area where markets reverses from in the past. Then I will highlight that very zone. I will highlight that very zone. Yeah, I will highlight that very zone. And let me go back to 4 hours to see what I can see from my 4 hour time frame. Yeah, from a 4 hour time frame, I can see that this very zone that was respected in the past have actually broken to the downside. This was a support. Then the market went to trade to this very downtrend resistance trend line. Then come all of a sudden break, retest, sell, retest once again, sell, test, sell, then breakout, retest, buy. So the process keep continuing. Then now that the market has broken off that important psychological level where we find some sort of bounce in the past, we are expecting a short. You can see this very long bearish candle, so you shouldn't just expect something bullish. Though I'm not saying it's 100% sure. Then now I can point out something for you here. I can point out something for you. Once when the market was trying to create some higher highs and higher lows pattern, like uptrend pattern, you can see from here now there's a clear break of trend, like should I say trend, yeah. That very the point that the market was trying to make highs to the upside. The last time the market get to this very point, we would have continued the higher highs. Then we would have been betting more on longs. But you can see the market break, make some sort of retest, then sell to the downside. Then if you're familiar with some patterns, yeah, some patterns like this, I think most of the chart pattern traders should know this. I think this is a pennant or a bearish pennant or whatever. But I just know that this is a continuation bearish pattern. So I'm expecting a breakout to the downside, which actually correlates with what I had from the weekly time frame, which was those three pattern candle that is evening star. Yeah. Then that like coming down to my lower time, I see that the market has broken some important psychological level and that's actually changed trend. So I'm actually betting more on shorts to the downside. You might want to take your short position. So these are the 2 points for you to eye if you want to take your short position. Maybe you can enter at the current market price, then take profit to this very low. But first, my first take profit will be at this very point. This will be my first take profit zone. Yeah, this will be my first take profit zone. Then, if you, because some people might complain that stop loss is actually very large and thereabout. It doesn't matter about the stop loss. It depends on how you're betting on this very trade. How accurate should I use that word accurate? How precise you are in your technical analysis. So let's say maybe you see some sort of breakout to the upside. If we see some sort of breakout to the upside, this is an important point for us to take another shot. So entering at this very current market is not actually bad. Depends on the amount you're risking here. Yeah, depends on the amount you're risking. Then if you actually entered from here, maybe the market break past this, because this is a regular pattern, the market might actually manipulate this. Yeah, you can take your short position again from here. Your stop loss still above that zone. Take profit will still be here. It's more of the same thing, just some pips away. So I'm actually betting more on shorts. Yeah, I'm betting more on shorts than longs. So that's what I have on this day of my technical analysis challenge. I believe all the videos I've been dropping, you've actually find it very cool and interesting to watch the videos. Like that's helped you in your trading journey. If it has actually helped you in your trading journey, I would want you to drop the comment in the comment section. Then also tell me on a particular page you wish me to analyze today or tomorrow rather, whenever I will be dropping the next video. Thank you guys for watching. If you're a new person to the YouTube channel, I wish you to drop um, a subscription to the YouTube channel. Then also, if you've been on the YouTube channel, please turn on your notification button because I'll be dropping videos as I promised back to back on the YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.